Guys, welcome back. It's Dre. I do want to go ahead and thank you so much for tuning in to another video. If you're new, make sure that you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of the videos here on this channel. And welcome to the family. So today we're going to go ahead and customize a full lace wig for one of my clients. I'm just showing you here how the full lace wigs front hairline will be when you do order from the Hair Killer collection. Don't forget, the website is still being customized and it will be published soon. Thank you so much for bearing with me, but you can always hit me up on my social media platforms, especially on Instagram at hairkiller_Dre to place an order with me directly, or you can email me. The email is also in my Instagram bio. So I just wanted to show you exactly how the hairline is in the front. Extremely natural. I've been working with my vendor very closely to get a pre-plucked hairline, and I cannot be more pleased. I have not plucked anything. I know it may be hard to believe, but this is exactly how the front hairline will be, and you can customize the back hairline if necessary. And next, I'm going to go ahead and show you the inside of the wig, in which has 3 combs, one on each side, left and right, and one in the middle, and an adjustable band in the back with the hooks to go ahead and latch that into place. In there, is a 4th comb in the nape as well. The combs in the strap can be removed. You just go ahead and have to request that from me directly. And you can see the knots are not bleached either, but we can go ahead and do that as well if you request it. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So per my client's request, she's actually getting it installed by another stylist, but she wanted me to go ahead and remove all 4 combs and the band in the back because she wanted a 360 install. Not a 360 frontal, but a 360 install, meaning she wants the entire wig glued down all around. So you're going to either take you a razor comb, as I did show you, or you can take a straight razor. If you're going to be using a straight razor, please be extremely careful. I'm going to go ahead, I think I used both, but either way you want to be extremely careful. You just pull the combs and then you'll snag the string and they just pop right off. When it comes to that strap in the back, you want to be extremely careful. Take your time. Alright, so when it comes to the back, you're going to struggle just a little bit. It's going to want to fight against you because there's an actual elastic band in there with the hooks on there. But if you work with it, it'll work with you. I think I may have nicked the lace in the back like maybe a centimeter size hole. But it won't make a difference once they go ahead and install the wig. But you want to very much take your time because you can lose a finger, honey, and ain't nobody got time for that. So the next thing I'm going to be doing here is bleaching the knots. I'm going to bleach the knots in I think I started in the back. You're going to want to bleach the knots in the back first because those hairs are more dense, meaning they were ventilated with more hairs into each hole. We can speak in reference to ventilating in a moment, but you want to go ahead and make sure that your bleach consistency is like a paste. Me personally, I found that smoothing the bleach on with a plastic spoon, I'm sorry, not a plastic spoon, a plastic knife is a lot easier. I mean, to each their own. You can spread it with a brush, a spoon, a fork, whatever you've got. But don't be afraid. Just go ahead and make sure you've got the wig in good hands and keep a steady hand because you don't want to press too heavily into the lace. You want to go ahead and make sure that the bleach is covering the knots. That's the entire purpose of this, is to make the knots lighter so that they look more of a flesh tone once the client is parting through their hair. There's plenty of videos on how to bleach the knots of a lace wig or a lace frontal or even a closure. If you want me to make a specific video on bleaching the knots, comment down below, and if I get enough requests, then I'll go ahead and make a video. Alright, so now that you went ahead and bleached the knots on the back of the wig, you're going to go ahead and proceed to do the same to the front of the wig. You want to lay that on some aluminum foil because the foil is going to go ahead and help conduct that bleach and make everything process just how we need it to be. Alright, once you've went ahead and rinsed the bleach off the wig and use your neutralizing shampoo to stop the bleaching process, this is what you should be left with. I don't go in heavily and bleach the knots because most girls do not even part all over the wig with their full lace wigs. They usually just do maybe half up, half down, part down the middle, you know, left, right, middle part, something like that. So I don't bleach heavily, thoroughly through, you know, my knots. But you want to make sure that you focus on the main parts that they do as well as the hairline. And I promise you, look at that. Look at that. And I have not plucked anything, but look how immaculate this hairline is and how natural that is. So you ladies will be definitely pleased. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is color the front per my client's request. We're going to go ahead and split the wig into 4 main quadrants, and then we are going to go ahead and dye the front part, the front 2 quadrants. We're going to do sort of a nothing really, what's the word? Nothing dramatic, basically, just like a cool brown. We're going to use H1, which is Coolest Brown by L'Oreal High Color Highlights for dark color hair. And it offers multi-lift, you know, so we can go in with a nice 30 volume developing cream. I'm gonna use Blonde Me, of course, and that's just what I had on hand. You can use any developing cream that you have. And we're gonna go ahead and apply that in a balayage format, and you'll see. But yeah, go ahead and, you know, enjoy the video.
The next morning.
All right, and here we have it. I did go in, as you saw, in a middle part format, and this is the variation of the natural black versus the hair that we colored. So nothing dramatic, but just a pop of color in the front. Per her request, she wanted a deep side part, and this is just what the hair looks like after it's, been freshly washed and conditioned and, air dried, of course. And then I'm gonna go ahead and press the hair out with a pressing comb and flat iron, and she'll be all done. Nothing too dramatic, like I said, just very simple, sleek, deep side part style. And here comes the final results. Thanks again, guys, for watching the video. Don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everybody you know so that we can go ahead and hit 1,000 subscribers so that I can give away a wig. Gosh, come on, you guys. Share this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. And don't talk about her eyelash. She's been through some things.